Hi, good morning. I just wanted to go over your apply task for today. Your apply task says, can rocks make you money? Dakota collects rocks and minerals and sells them at local fairs. Watch this video about rock collecting and sales. Over a 3-day weekend, Dakota earned $450 selling obsidian, amethyst, and quartz. Okay, so these are types of rocks. She earned 2 times as much for an obsidian rock as she did for the quartz rock. She earned 6 times as much for amethyst as she did for quartz. How much money did she earn over the weekend by selling each type of rock or mineral? Okay, so what you might want to do is go back to the firefighter task where we were creating equations and think about what type of equations you can make to figure out how much each rock made. So there are going to be multiple choice questions. This one says the total amount of money Dakota made at the fair is $450. Choose the strategies you could use to solve the problem. Select all that apply. So we can see that A is showing us that the quartz is this much money, the obsidian is this much money, and the amethyst is this much money. We then see that the total is $450. So you have to decide if that is an accurate representation, a visual representation of how much money Dakota made. This one shows us that the quartz is this much, the obsidian is this much, and the amethyst is this much, and that's a total of $450. Remember about tape diagrams that tape diagrams are equal. So if I put 150 in here, I put 150 in here, and I put 150 in here. So think about that. This one shows you that this rock, and this rock equals 450. This one shows you different ones here, where it shows you different amounts of amethyst, different amounts of obsidian, and different amounts of amethyst gives you $450. And then E, guessing and checking like this, it looks like they compare amethyst and obsidian to quartz. Or F, guessing and checking like this, I can try different amounts for each type of rock until my sum is $450. So you have to decide which one works for you and then hit submit. You are also going to write an expression for it. So you will need to decide which expression makes sense, where Q is the amount you earned from a quartz. So going back here and reading how much money you made on a quartz, okay? Once you're done, you hit submit. Then it says select all the equations that represent the total amount Dakota earned. So that means all 3 rocks, when we add up that amount, it should total $450. So which one or multiple equations will work for this? Once you're done, you hit submit. And then the last question is you actually answering how much Dakota earned on selling obsidian, how much she earned on selling amethyst, and how much she earned on selling quartz, okay? So that is the apply task for today. Please try your best. Make sure that you're writing equations. Make sure that it's making sense to you. And if you want to, you can plug numbers in your equation to see if it actually works and see if it makes sense. So I wish you luck today, and I hope that you all have a wonderful day. And some of you, I'll see you. And some of you, just send me an email or a message if you have any questions. Take care.